Alright, to start, you're going to want to take these screws out. There's about 8 of them here, maybe 9. You're going to need a long screwdriver. They all come out of the bottom of the machine. Once you get those out, the case should flip open like this. And you'll see the transport right here. Just gently lift that up and you'll see generally what happens on these is this piece falls out and this little sensor comes undone. Make sure that this sensor is in place. It just clips in right there and then it should stay like that. And if you look in the bottom of the case, you'll probably hear something rattling around, which is these pieces that go in this solenoid here. What you're going to want to do is take this piece like that, put it in that way, and then put this piece in like this, and then it's going to clip into place right here. Like so. If you can see this, there's 2 wires that have come off this solenoid. Hopefully they're both still attached, but if one, like in this example, one of them has come loose, one goes on each of these solder pads, so you might have to reconnect one of these to the pad, and then the machine should be back and running and you can reassemble it.